Welcome back to my YouTube channel Auto Smartphone. Today I am bringing you one of the most exciting mid-range smartphones of 2025, the brand new Samsung Galaxy A37 5G. This device is here to redefine what we expect from affordable smartphones, combining sleek design, strong performance, a future-ready 5G connection, and an amazing balance between price and features. If you are planning to upgrade your smartphone this year, then you should definitely stick around because the Galaxy A37 5G might be the one you are looking for. The first thing you notice about the Samsung Galaxy A37 5G is its beautiful design. Samsung has gone with a modern minimalist look, slim bezels, and a glossy back panel that feels premium in the hand. It's lightweight yet solid, giving you the confidence that this phone can handle daily usage with style. The device features a large 6.6-inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate, delivering smooth animations, vibrant colors, and deep contrasts. Watching videos, scrolling through social media, and gaming on this display is a truly immersive experience. It's bright enough for outdoor usage and offers sharp detail for content lovers. Under the hood, the Galaxy A37 5G is powered by Samsung's Exynos 1330 chipset paired with up to 8GB of RAM, ensuring smooth multitasking and efficient performance. Whether you are switching between apps, streaming, or playing high-graphic games, the phone handles it effortlessly. The inclusion of 5G connectivity means you are future-proofed, enjoying faster downloads, smoother streaming, and reliable connectivity wherever 5G networks are available. For storage, the phone starts with 128GB of internal memory, expandable via microSD, which is great for those who love storing photos, videos, and apps without worrying about space. Now let's talk about cameras because Samsung always puts a lot of focus on imaging. The Galaxy A37 5G comes with a versatile triple camera system at the back. The main sensor is a 50-megapixels wide lens with optical image stabilization, delivering sharp and clear photos even in low light. Along with it, you get a 5-megapixels ultra-wide lens that's perfect for landscapes and group shots, and a 2-megapixels depth sensor for portrait photography. On the front, you have a 16-megapixel selfie camera housed in a small punch-hole cutout, producing crisp selfies with natural skin tones. Both the rear and front cameras support 4K video recording, which makes this phone a solid choice for vloggers and content creators on a budget. Battery life is another strong point of the Galaxy A37 5G. Packed with a 5000 mAh battery, it easily lasts through a full day of heavy usage, and for moderate users, it can stretch to almost 2 days. The 25W fast charging support ensures that you can quickly top up your phone when running low, which is always a big convenience. Samsung has also optimized the software with One UI 6.1 based on Android 15, bringing smooth animations, cleaner icons, and a lot of customization features to make the device truly yours. When it comes to security and extras, the Galaxy A37 5G includes an in-display fingerprint scanner, face unlock, Samsung Knox protection, and all the modern features you expect from a Samsung smartphone. It also supports Dolby Atmos for a better audio experience, which makes watching movies and listening to music more enjoyable. The most attractive part of the Galaxy A37 5G is the value it provides. Priced around $299 globally, this phone brings you a premium display, reliable performance, solid cameras, long battery life, and 5G connectivity, all at an affordable price point. It directly competes with other mid-range brands but stands out because of Samsung's quality and consistent software support. So overall, the Samsung Galaxy A37 5G is one of the most complete mid-range smartphones of 2025. It's perfect for students, young professionals, and even casual gamers who want a stylish phone with solid performance without spending too much. If you are looking for a smartphone that gives you almost everything without breaking the bank, then the Galaxy A37 5G should definitely be on your radar.